To create a calendar table, let's create a new table. And let's enter the function calendar. I will name the table as calendar is equal to enter the function calendar. Let's use start date as the minimum date of the date column from a sales table. And for the end date, let's use the maximum function of the date columns from a sales table. Here we have created the calendar table. Let's now change the format into a short date. I will click on Change Date Type Format and then select Short Date. Now, we need to create a relationship between the newly created calendar table and the existing sales table. To create this relationship, click on the Model view. We have both the tables here. Drag and drop date column from one table to another. This will create a relationship between the two tables.